How to fix Among Us account creation errors when you can't sign in or create an account. So guys, don't just think it's a bug. Most of the time these issues happen because of a few simple and common problems. I'm going to show you how to actually fix it, so let's get started. First problem, check your internet seriously. Unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data can break account requests. Switch your network or restart your router once before you blame the game. Then try signing in or creating an account in Among Us again. If the problem is still there, please don't worry. We're just getting started. Next, update the game from the Play Store if you're an Android user or the App Store if you're on iPhone. Old versions often fail to log in. Go update Among Us to the latest version. After updating, try again. If it still doesn't work, it's okay, just keep watching the next method. Now for the next method, go to your phone settings. In settings, scroll down and open general management. Then go to date and time. Here, make sure to turn on automatic date and time. Turning this on can fix the issue if it's happening because your phone time doesn't match the game servers. After turning that on, there's one more thing I want to tell you. If you are using a VPN, turn it off because it often breaks the login system. After turning on date and time and turning off VPN, restart your device once. Then try signing in or creating your account again. If it works, congratulations. If the issue still isn't fixed, don't ignore the next method at all, okay? Now for this method, go to settings. Then go to apps. Open Among Us. Scroll down and go to storage. Clear cache. If it still doesn't work, go back, uninstall the game once, and then reinstall it again. Still having a problem? Just drop a comment. Thanks for watching.